Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset Windows 11 without losing personal data. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or on your laptop and you want to reset your device without losing your data, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply go to your settings. So just click on this window button here and then click on settings. And now in settings, you just have to click on system. Select system from here, then scroll down and look for recovery option. Just click on recovery, and under recovery you'll see the option of reset this PC. Just click on reset PC option over here, and then you have two options. The very first is keep my files. So if you want to select this one, so it will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. So here's the second option, remove everything. It will remove everything from your PC, including your files, your apps, and including your settings. So I recommend the first one if you want to reset your PC without losing your data. So just select the first option here and just wait for some loading. And from here, you can select how about you would like to reinstall your Windows. So I'm going to select local reinstall. So it will reinstall Windows from this device. So if you want to select this one, it will download and reinstall Windows from cloud. So I'm going to select this option. It might be best. So just select this one and then click on next. Once you have selected, it will take some moments to load. So you just have to wait for it until it's loading. So once you have done, so you can see that it's ready to reset. If you reset with your changing settings back to their default, it will change only your settings to their defaults. It will keep your personal file. It will not delete anything from your personal data from your PC. So you can easily continue from this step. So it will reinstall Windows from this device. So you haven't any need to plug in any USB device to install Windows. It will automatically reinstall Windows itself from your device. So it will remove all apps and programs installed on your PC. So you just have to select this view apps that will be removed. So you can see a file of different apps which will be removed from by this step. So just click on back. Now click on reset to reset your device without losing any kind of data. So in this way, you can easily reset your PC on your Windows 11 without losing any kind of data. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.